I drove that motor, the Peugeot with the dented doors. Now I'm chauffeured, only driving to go through George.
Yeah! Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here, another reaction. Pushing, wing. That guys, your fears. Today, guys, we are here with my adopted granddads. Yes, them adopt me now. It's official. Them adopt me now because I want to live like them when I'm older. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃 Golf featuring Norman Payne. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃 Golf featuring Norman Payne. So them adopt me now and I am officially them grandson. I will give you some more as the video go along. So let's go, guys. Let's go. What do I do here? Let's go. Let's get it. Who is Norman Payne? Can somebody explain who Norman Payne is? I first time you hear the name there. So explain the name for me.
84.
Wait, man. Wait. Them I use grenade as a golf ball. Them man ain't not easy. Grenade as a golf ball. Okay, so alright. The song name Golf. Let's go.
84, disrespect, kicked his door. Grabbed the cash from the bedside drawer and a little stash under the bedroom floor.
1984. Me kick off them door. Them disrespect and me grab the cash from the blood clot floor. What? Granddad, you're bad. Granddad, you're bad in 1984. I wasn't even born yet. Granddad, let's go.
See his Uncle George built like a brick and I thank the Lord. I weren't fat back in the day so I can move fast when it comes to the crunch.
Granddad, you crazy, man. Granddad said I wasn't fat back in the days, so I could have moved fast. We did agile for my feet when it comes to the crunch. We did, we did agile, we did outside. Yeah, I wasn't fat back in the days. You didn't fight again.
Like a brick and I thank the Lord. I weren't fat back in the day so I can move fast when it comes to the crunch.
I wasn't fat back in the days, so I could move fast when it comes to the crunch. One tier, you know what you say? Let's go.
89, Sunday lunch, pint, fag, plate full of munch, fist full of rings, pricey punch. It ain't pimps o'clock when the bloke gets slumped.
89, I'm tell you, when doing at 89 now, you see me? Yeah, then the pub have a drink or the fag and you don't know, fist full of ring, and you don't know, you see me? Yeah, the boss will live.
18 cunch, 91 in a big old bando, 2 got dogs, Dave and his Rambo, he's in a can like Rubicon Mango.
Dave and him, so this a 91 now. Them they're 91, let's go there.
91 in a big old bando, 2 got dogs, Dave and his Rambo.
91. 2 get dog in the bando, Dave and him Rambo.
He's in a can like Rubicon Mango.
With a can of Rubicon Mango. Okay.
Ball and chain, normally walk free, but he lost his brain. 92, Villa in Spain, travelling Europe, private planes.
92, we are traveling Spain. All over Europe in a private plane. So them been make them money, them been live, them been do that. All of them think that where these people are crazy for now, them been there, done that. And them have the years to prove it. Yeah.
Time flies, 95, cut those tires. Got a mate who works in a baker's, pull out the mesh and I'll make you a pie.
95. Hold on again.
95, cut those tires. Got a mate who works in a baker's, pull out the mesh and I'll make you a pie.
Got a mate who work in a baker's, pull out the mash and I'll make you a pie. Yeah, baker's pie. Mashed potato pie. I don't know, what kind of pie? Something pie. Something pie. Cottage pie, when I know what kind of pie.
96, Dan got nicked, found his stash. In the back of a brand new motor. Car chasing the old thing crashed.
Oh shit. 96. Somebody got nicked. I said Dave got nicked and them find him stashing a motor. And because obviously the car crashed, so the police find the
collecting debts, wars with the London Met. 98, case got blown. I went home and I cried in bed.
98, case got blown and him went home and cried in bed. So what am I saying? Bust him case, yes, sir? No, 90. Sorry, guys, I'm pausing because I'm breaking down, alright?
When I talk back cases, gotta roll my piece. Been caught red-handed, never ran for the bleeding police.
I've been caught red-handed, never run from the fucking police. Never run from them. You see me? Cause if me do the crime, I can do the time. That's what the boss has said. Let's go. Oh, this is a sniper now. Don't tell me say I something there. Oh,
I drove that motor, the Peugeot with the dented doors.
Bombok! Sniper! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Modern Warfare! Let's go!
Now I'm chauffeured, only driving a golfing course.
Carb on the kitchen can, up had her, dropped in the pot, got spun her hands in the
No, people, this is not an exaggerate. Oh, these guys are so creative. Yo, big up the video director. The man of a sniper.
wheel of the beamer, 2 blocks in, winning up, got clock rolls, so many boys in the fag, mental, should have been paid by Benson and Edge.
Wait, man, no. This is getting too much now. I need to get back to what I'm saying, cause I miss nearly everything what I'm saying a while ago. Cause he just spaz, he just goes off on one all the time.
Motor, the Peugeot with the dented doors.
Okay. Peugeot with dented door. Okay, we passed that. Let's go.
Now I'm chauffeured, only driving a golfing course.
Carb on the kitchen can, up had her, dropped in the pot, got spun her hands in the wheel.
I can't understand him good. Granddad, I can't understand him good. He is the granddad by my mother's side. The next one I'm granddad by my father's side. I can't understand him good.
Wheel of the beamer, 2 blocks in, winning up, got clock rolls, so many boys in the fag, mental, should have been paid by Benson and Edge.
Should have been paid by Benson and Edge. Benson and Edge are the cigarette brand. I think that cigarette brand in the UK, yeah. So I'm saying no.
Try taking the food from my plate and end up left with a plate in your head, top stay left hand so they know.
Try taking the food from my plate and end up left with a plate in their head. No ramp. Sorry guys, me close my eye because I try to pick up him lyrics. I'm in focus on what go on the video. Let's get back to the video though.
Who's driving up blocks, get shot down in a day like perfect timing. Wife's done cooking the batch and the next wanna try this food.
Wife got what? Me can't break down what I say. Me cannot break down what granddad is saying. Granddad is saying that.
Done so many days up country, wife sent over some uncooked meals. That's fresh off the stove, straight down to the man's bare hands. It's an uncooked meal.
So I done so many time up in the country. The wife just send down whole heap of uncooked meals. So basically, in everything where me do, his wife was there with him. His wife did have him back. You understand? His wife did have support him because she's a good queen, that's what she is.
Sent over some uncooked meals. That's fresh off the stove, straight down to the man's bare hands. It's an uncooked meal.
Fresh off the stove, straight down to the man bare and it's an uncooked meal. So him I say, put the man on the stove. It's an uncooked meal. The uncooked deal. Uncooked deal. What?
Can't stop cause the line keep pinging and it's keep bringing the paper. Went down spoons on a Friday, came on Monday, 3 days later.
Can't stop because basically them busy. The phone a ring. So them have to make that paper regardless of what. Anyway that them have to out there make the paper. That's what the boss said. Let's go.
Would you know about sticks? Would you know about lasers? Would you know about punching the fed off a horse and getting tasered?
What you know about sticks? What you know about laser? What you know about punching a fed off a horse? Horse back and like a yeah, horse. You like the horse on it, right? What you know about that? And get him taser. You're not bad, no trash.
I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them lot do.
Me not really care what them say. Me not care what people do. Me just do my own thing. How is this now? Norman Payne. Look at Norman Payne. He look like a psycho, bro. He needs to be sectioned, bro.
Still I gotta stick to the cash like glue. I'm a
Pop, 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 pop! Me not care what people say. Me not care what people do. Still me have to stick to the cash like glue. Glue, stick, stinks. Glue, stick to cash. Yeah, like that.
big Sean Paul fan too.
We are Yahoo? Yahweh?
Still I gotta
Yahweh?
stick to the cash like glue. I'm a big Sean Paul fan too.
Bum, 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 bum. I don't really care what people say. I don't really want what them boy do. But I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I'm not fear number 2. Basically, he must say so. I don't really care what people say. I don't care what people do. I have to stick to the cash. Not the girl. Sean Paul said girl. Him say cash. Him have to stick to the cash like glue. Sean Paul said I have to stick to the girl like glue. Then him say I'm a big Sean Paul fan too. So he might pay homage to Sean Paul for that line there. Big up yourself. Sean Paul, big up yourself also, but the G big you up for that line there. Him never just thief it and don't say nothing about it or the reference a name. But yeah, respect to you, man.
When I talk back cases, gotta roll my piece. Been caught
Clock.
red-handed, never ran for the bleeding police.
So hold on. And when get that racket down just something there? This a Call of Duty for real then?
I drove that motor, the Peugeot with the dented doors. Now I'm chauffeured, only driving to go through George.
Yeah!
No, she wasn't ready.
Guys, imagine you see this man like this running at you in a one dark night, and then hear this.
With the dented doors.
Listen, watch this.
Now I'm chauffeured, only driving to go through George. Bazooka kicked his face and I smashed his brain and I broke his back.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Man, fuck you.
Only driving to go through George. Bazooka kicked his face and I smashed his brain and I broke his back.
Him kick him in the face, smash his spleen and broke him back. Max Payne. Now man Payne, what is wrong with you?
I took his phone and then switch provider and gave it back.
I took his phone and what? You took his phone. We're done. We finish out here, dog. Done out here, dog.
Brain never broke his back. I took his phone and then switch provider and gave it back.
What I'm saying, him took him phone, switch provider and giving him back? What I'm saying that side there? What I'm saying, people?
I ripped his balls off for the quick game of hacky sack.
I ripped his balls off with I ripped his balls off. We're done, brother. What the hell, bro?
Flashing club, Birkin back when I flipped them packs and I make that catch. I was locked in the cell and I took those L's to hell and back.
I was locked in the cell and took those to hell and oh my god. Oh, imagine being locked in a cell with a crazy man like this, man. In the 80s. When I'm in prime. Fucking maniac. He's a raving lunatic. He's a raving madman.
I can't sing out in a bright range and I fight 10 man. Try jacking the lad, throwing the fist and I throw in the back.
Outside look cold, and this man outside with no shirt full of blood. Brother, mine catch pneumonia still in the dog. That me I tell you, Mr. Payne. Mine catch pneumonia and end up in a pain. That me I tell you, dog.
Stop in the door in the back, jump in the cab and I'm off to me dad's.
Jump in the cab and I'm off to me dad's.
Stop in the door in the back, jump in the cab and I'm off to me dad's.
So him dump all I do in one bag, jump in a cab and him after him dad. So him dad know him up to him dad I gonna protect him. What am I gonna know? Shoot down the helicopter?
This place ain't friendly, it's all for the goons and ghosts. Used to roll with my family, licked off the food like a Sunday roast.
Used to roll with my family, lick up the food like our Sunday roast. So in Sunday roast you have your potato, you have your I don't know what Sunday roast is, but you know, potato night and the English people them like for roast.
But they're all dead now, and I pray they rest in peace. I wanna find that twat to get carved up like a piece of meat.
They're all dead now and I pray them rest in peace. But when I find that fool, when I find that idiot, I'm gonna get carved up like a piece of meat. So basically, Ibasa tell us him still not let it go. After so many years, him still not let it go because somebody disrespect him. And him not
PTSD, I've been through the pain in the hardest times. Now I got no feelings, or I get to be like counting lines.
PTSD and oh my gosh. He's
through the pain in the hardest times.
PTSD, him fight through the pain and the hardest times. PTSD is a form of, yo.
Lines, and I might take time when I see that handsome woman. Bitch with the finest legs and the sweetest back and the largest bosom.
Oh my fucking god. I'm doing this again.
When I see that handsome woman, bitch with the finest legs and the sweetest back and the largest bosom.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Let's go.
When I talk back cases, gotta roll my piece. Been caught red-handed, never ran for the
I'm Fucking hell, man. That no dog.
I drove that motor, the Peugeot with the tinted doors. Now I'm chauffeured, only driving a golfing course.
You know one thing we can say though, them really enjoy the video shoot, yeah. Them really enjoy making the video, yeah. I mean enjoy reacting to it, me enjoy listening to it, dog. The full length of the video gonna be down in the description without me pausing, so you can go over and go check it out if you want to see it. Oh my god. Yo, can somebody tell me where I can buy one of these sniper suit though? Even though I don't have a sniper, more of a sniper suit. Maybe one day I'll get the sniper. Yo, fucking hell, man, camouflage, blend in, brother. Yo, Max Payne, dirty. Look, Max Payne never make an effort. Max Payne never make an effort. Max Payne, Max Payne, Norman Payne, sorry. Norman Payne never make an effort. Norman Payne just come out, no top. In him tracksuit, in tracksuit bottom, when him work on him car with. In them garage, full of grease and stain. Yo, this song bad though. No joke, no fucking joke. Instagram, see them Instagram the people. Yo, no joke, dog, no joke. This is a fun video. That was fun. That was so much fun. Yo, big up the two granddad them. Norman Payne, I would say you're my uncle, but no, me don't want you in my family. Peter Bass is good enough for me, alright. You're too crazy, bro. Fucking hell, yo, big up the hell of them, man. Big up the hell of them, man. Me love to see them out here do them thing, guys. And sorry to keep pausing it so much. That was a bit excessive, but we did have to do it. I did have to do it. I did have to do it, guys. So, guys, if you enjoyed the reaction there, I did. Please leave a like down below. Please comment down below. And please subscribe if you're around here if you're new. I understand? Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Yo, peace. Okay, hell, my day has